So we are here this morning for 2 ribbon cutting ceremonies, which are the first of their kind for the Historic Preservation Program here in Denton. We have 1526 Willowwood Street that we are going to be doing a ribbon cutting ceremony for first. It was started in 1978 and was completed in 1979, which is really great. We're kind of in this new era of looking at preserving our mid-century modern architecture. I realize the ribbon is all the way at the back, unfortunately, so let me grab the ribbon real quick. Give that to the children. And then we're gonna have Angie. Ready? Yep.
Landmark Commission, thank you so much. That was the first step after working with Cameron, was the Landmark Commission. Thank you so much. You made the process so comfortable for us and we were very happy about it.
Our next property is 1900 Westridge Street, which is a Mount Miller designed home and was also the home of the Brocks, which are very well known in Denton as well. And I did want to just mention, we have Abigail Mount Miller here. This house was designed by her parents.
I'm just very excited to have been part of this process, and I'm just thrilled that I've been part of saving a very important structure in our wonderful town.
We are about to go on a Denia neighborhood walking tour.
Our first stop is 1426.
Mid-century modern architecture is really distinct. It became very popular in the 1930s, all the way until the late 1980s. It has very long linear lines, not a lot of decorative detailing, but why we're seeing it kind of come online right now is that we're hitting that 50-year mark in terms of what is considered historic. Denia has some really exemplary examples of the mid-century modern architecture. We have a lot of international style down here, especially on Kendall Avenue.
Kenneth? Rudolph. Kendall.
So it's really exciting to start preserving these post-World War II neighborhoods.